life for the community right now is a lot better than it was. Things were pretty scary in 2009. Labor costs. A lot of the offshoring was due to cheap labor. With the commitment of Brian, not only to the community but to this business, investing as large as he has, the big difference for us is when our competitors were offshoring, Brian had already made a large investment in equipment that was redeployable and had the foresight to get into automation. Buying the FANUC robots and lining them up with our redeployed equipment while our competitors are going offshore kind of gave us an advantage.
FANUC robots are so versatile and so flexible, we've been able to very cost effectively recommission them to do different jobs.
Today things seem to be perking up with automation. At first people thought that they were going to lose their jobs, but in fact they realize now that we have saved their jobs.
I mean, we've seen jobs grow, and that's really important, especially when you're raising a family in this community.
Not only for this community, but to keep the jobs in the state of Michigan as well. Now some of our customers are actually bringing product back from overseas.
We now ship to China and grow a key customer we wanted to grow with and continue to grow that business.
We have the ability, we have the technology with the use of the automation, the FANUC robots, the FANUC machine tools to be as competitive as anybody. In the global market today, the machines, the robots, the cutting tools, it costs the same everywhere in the world. It's how you take that technology, apply it, and having one operator running 6, 7 machines, 2, 3 robots, it really is a strong benefit to the bottom line cost for our customers.
Quality second to none. First time, every time.
By being a customer of engineered machine products, you not only get a highly automated manufacturing systems on the floor, you get a team that is proud to be part of Michigan, part of Escanaba.
And implementing automation with FANUC robotics and the buy-in of our whole E&P family has really made a big difference.
I think the future for E&P looks very bright. So just being so flexible and nimble allows us to adapt to changes in the marketplace so quickly. I think that's going to continue to pay off for us more and more into the future.
Living through the phase of going from totally manual manufacturing into the automation phase, if you have any apprehension, leave it at apprehension because it works.